Welcome back. Did you know that April is National Facial Protection Month? Now, do you know who can't wait to celebrate this month? Dr. Kacer with OrthoPros, because he is here to tell us the importance of mouth guards for your sporty kids.
Yes.
Doctor, thanks for coming back.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I did say April is, this awareness month, but what does that really mean?
Yeah, I think it's the American Dental Association. Kind of April, the sports are starting, they're getting ready, right? And so they're trying to raise awareness from the mouth guard and the safety aspect of it as well too. So it's a good month to really start promoting it and trying to get the word out so that people are aware when football starts and even hockey, a little bit later on, that mouth guards are realizing the importance of them.
So it was very timely.
Yes, exactly.
April was on purpose.
Yeah.
And I know you're a huge advocate for mouth guards, and this has been something you've been a part of. Where do you really think that kind of speed bump is coming between where we need to be and where we're at?
Yeah, I think the difference is you can have mouth guards, and there's different types of mouth guards, right? But it's what kind of mouth guard are you getting, right? So you can go to the store and you can get a mouth guard, but it's not custom fitted, and there's not a lot, and it offers protection, but not nearly the amount of protection that like a custom one can be done, or even a fitted one from an orthodontist or a dentist.
So you're saying that maybe people aren't aware that they're not getting the same protection if they get something that's custom made for them.
Yes. Yeah.
And so are there different kinds of mouth guards, even amongst sports, I guess?
Yeah, I mean, the basic kind of premise and concept of it's the same, right? And making a mold that fits your teeth to help protect that. But the type of fitting is really kind of where it comes in. So any mouth guard's better than no mouth guard. But then once you get into mouth guards, there's different layers as well too. So for example, we're the official smile provider of the Tucson Roadrunners. So we've had them come in and do custom mouth guards for certain players, right? That really offer the most protection because it's a mold of their teeth specific to them. And then we can add numbers and colors and team logos. We've done that for a couple high schools around Tucson as well too.
So you made them cool.
Yeah, exactly. Made them fun, get the colors, and they loved them because they had their name, they had their logo on it, and the whole team had them done that way too, so it was really cool.
Well, if the Roadrunners have put their teeth in good hands, then we know all of us are in good hands. And so you guys have kind of taken this a step further because you're making it easier for teams and parents and everybody to kind of get more information and figure out their path to getting some.
Yeah, and part of just OrthoPros and DentalPros in general, the philanthropy side of it, that's one of our big programs that we really have tried to focus on. And so we've gone to a couple of the Tucson Youth Football and Spirit Federation teams as well too. And so we're hoping to get more on board with that, where we're saying, it doesn't cost you anything, we'll do it as just part of our philanthropy that we do. Come in, we can set up a time, the teams come in, it's actually a really fun couple hours where everybody's in there, they're getting fitted for their mouth guards, and we're getting them done the right way and with really high quality mouth guards.
And we're talking about kids, what kind of age span are we talking?
Yeah, we try to focus on kind of the 8 to 12-year-old range, is kind of our main one. We still have done some high school football teams as well too, where it's a little bit older, it just depends on kind of how things work out. Yeah, so we try to do a certain amount each year and have been increasing that each year. So a lot of it's just contacts and who's available. And
I know you're doing these clinics. Tell me more what they'll learn and how can we get involved with these?
Yeah, so in the clinic is more of we're setting aside a time at the office where everybody will come in and get fitted for them the right way, get a mold of the teeth, and then depending on how we do it, we can either fit them there that day, or if we do the real custom ones, then they'll be back in a couple weeks to do that as well too, to try that in and to trim them up and to really get them dialed in.
So if somebody, a coach or a parent or somebody wants to get their team involved, do they just reach out?
Yeah. So our number, which is 520-290-8787, just call the direct line. Everybody knows about our program, so if they can just give us some contact information, we have a couple people that can follow up with them as well too, and really get a time set up and get it organized where it's efficient for everybody.
And that's kind of the way to do it. Get everybody in, do it all at once.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you have seen kind of the bad part of not being protected, and this is why you've made it such a mission of yours, I guess. Yeah,
and unfortunately we see it way too often, especially in kids in that age range, kind of 8 to 12 and a little bit more. If you have teeth that are sticking out a little too far, you're more prone to breaking some of the front teeth off. And so just the mouth guard can help really protect that. And so that's what we see from the dental side. Also, in addition to the orthodontic side of seeing those type of traumatic injuries, and when it's your child and it's the two front teeth, it's really traumatic. Yeah.
It absolutely is, and that's actually a good point to hit on. You guys do the mouth guards, but OrthoPros, you guys do a lot more than the mouth guards, so that might be an opportunity also to learn about some other things that could be done.
Yeah, exactly. And we offer dental now and oral surgery as well too within the office. So we really have a lot of different areas where we can take care of our patients and try to centralize it as well.
Well, parents, coaches, everyone that's listening in earshot right now, this is the place to go. Like I said, if the Roadrunners are putting their teeth in your hands, we know you guys know what you're doing.
Yeah, thank you.
So I'm going to tell them again how they can get a hold of you. But doctor, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me again.
Love the socks, by the way. Mouth guard clinics are available to area youth athletes 8 to 12 years of age. Just call 290-8787 to make an appointment for your team. You can also visit orthoprostucson.com for information on anything that we discussed today.